Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 288 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the lies, the weird, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can you use general cruise cash in the casino? I know you're doing away with the free gifts for Platinum and Diamond, but how about like a 4x6 photo? Can this personal frequency device be brought on a cruise ship? The kids and teen value package for $25. Can I upgrade the internet? And what is the most number of days sailed by a Carnival guest?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked if you can use the general cruise cash in the casino. John said, yes, this is something you can use in the casino and generally throughout the ship. This is why, if you're going to buy that ahead of time on the ships, get the general cruise cash, because they do have a very specific bar cash, which can only be used at the bars. Cruise cash can be used anywhere, bars included. So if you want to have a little buffer and a little pre-buy, buy the cruise cash. Usable everywhere. Question two. This cruiser said they know they may be doing away with the free gifts for Diamond and Platinums with the upcoming program being released, but a 4x6 photo, they said, would be a lovely gift. It is so simple and nothing to store like all those box gifts. John said, we're still working on all of this, so he will let us know what the gift is going to be and what is going to happen. That said, are they not doing away with the gifts? I don't know. Everybody complained about the gifts, so they got rid of the gifts. I like the gifts. I think they're cool. It's just, they're not expensive. They're nothing crazy. It's a little memento from the cruise line, Carnival, saying, hey, thanks for cruising with us that much. I thought they were cool. So if you like the Platinum and Diamond gifts, they might still be around. We'll see. Getting to that time really close. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. All right, question three. This cruiser said they still haven't got an answer to their question. They wanted to know if this personal frequency device can be brought on a ship. It's silent, it doesn't make any noise, it has headphones, and it's a little bigger than a cell phone and comes with a carrying case. It runs on USB, not a lithium-ion battery. John said he doesn't know what this is for, but based on what they shared, it would be allowed. So whatever that is, don't know. You can bring it on board. So yeah, we actually had to Google this one because normally that's called, we're old, it's a Walkman. But apparently it's commonly used for relaxation, stress management, sleep support, pain and recovery, and chronic condition management. So never heard of one before. Traditionally, we go to the bar for that. But this little thing could be used for it. There you go. Question four. This cruiser asked if they purchased the kids and teens value package for $25 a day that comes with the social internet package. What does it cost to upgrade to the premium internet package? John said, nothing, because you can't. With this particular package, there are no upgrades when it comes to the internet. So if you want your kids to have the premium internet, don't buy it for them. Tell them they're on a cruise and go outside and look at the water. Go to the water park. Go on a roller coaster. Do something else. Put your damn phone down. No, you want the higher one, you have to buy the higher package. Or higher internet, it's not in that package. Last question. This cruiser had a random question. They saw a video that someone had 2,933 sea days, and they wondered, what is the most number of sea days that anybody's ever cruised on Carnival? John said they actually have one gentleman who is way over 3,000, and he now believes that that is the record and one that won't ever be broken. So it's kind of like Cal Ripken's record. Yes, I'm an O's fan. It's probably never going to be broken. 3,000 sea days. We just got off the Carnival Spirit going to Alaska, and we hit our 365th sea day. A year at sea. We're like, holy crap, a year at sea. And we've been cruising since 99. He's got well over 3,000 days. That's pretty damn cool. Obviously, he loves cruising. So there you go. Ta-da! 3,000 plus. That's been episode 288 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.